Okay, if you've never made turkey pot pie or chicken pot pie in crescent rolls, you do not know what you're missing. This dish is so yummy. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. So I have got 1 cup of shredded turkey. Now you can use chicken, you can use turkey, either one. Now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of diced celery. 1/2 cup of peas and carrots, just frozen peas and carrots. I do microwave those for about a minute or so to kind of defrost them. 1/2 block of cream cheese, which is 4 ounces, and 1 can of cream of chicken. This is so easy and delicious. Now it's time to mix it. And you do want to get that cream cheese softened before you put it in here. Just a personal tip for you guys that I do. I freeze my cream cheese. I buy it in bulk, freeze it, and when you get it out for a recipe frozen, it comes out of the package without sticking to it. I hate when you open a package of cream cheese and it sticks to it, but it doesn't stick. You can put that cream cheese in the microwave for about 45 seconds, even if you're just using half of it, and use that half and put the other half in the fridge. This works great in recipes. Now you'll need a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I did go ahead and oil down that baking dish, and a package of crescent rolls. And we're just going to make these right in that baking dish. There's no point in transferring them from anywhere, and you don't want your mixture to fall out. So I just do it right in that baking dish and just grab like maybe a couple of tablespoons and put inside. This comes out perfect. It's the right amount for 8 crescent rolls. And my apologies, my voice is kind of raspy. I feel like I'm about to lose it. I've had some allergies. Okay, now we're ready to put these in the oven. And I put them in the oven and I like to cover them for 10 minutes. You're going to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. Cover them with some aluminum foil, or I like to use an aluminum pan to cover it with. And after 10 minutes, you're going to take this off. And then we're going to cook this for about 20 more minutes or so until the top actually turns really brown. I think it took me about 30 minutes. And voila. And I like to take a pat of butter and put it on a fork and just kind of coat that butter on top of each one. And these are perfect. These are wonderful. My husband and I can almost eat the whole pan. That's so bad, I know. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope all of you have a really great day.